Hi, Tinglers, and welcome to this special product review video. What am I going to be reviewing? It's actually going to be this deep tissue massage gun from FitIndex. And so what is a deep tissue massage gun? Well, first off, a massage gun is something that is to get really deep into the muscle. So it's a deep tissue massager. Literally, it's in the name. So don't expect a light, like relaxing massage. This is really to get into the muscle. And I've been using this for a little while, maybe like a couple weeks, and it's like really awesome. So when sometimes, like I love massages in general, and I usually don't get a deep tissue massage because it's usually too ticklish on me. So yeah, when I go get a massage from like a real human, I am usually in the light to medium hardness. So I don't really get the really good deep tissue massage, which I pretty much need sometimes when my muscles are hurting or they're aching or whatever. And this is I would say a great alternative to that, because this doesn't tickle, first off. So it doesn't tickle, which is great, and it can really get deep into like the problem areas that I may have, like my lower back sometimes hurts, or is like sore, or like my shoulder, like around the shoulder area, the shoulder bone or chicken bone area. So yeah, let me tell you a little bit about this. There's a link in the description below if you want to take a look. And I also have a discount code as well. But yeah, this is the massage gun. It is portable, so you basically charge it, and the battery, they say it lasts for 4 to 6 hours. I can tell you that is absolutely true. The battery lasts a freaking long time. So yeah, and it's also very quiet, which I shall be demonstrating for you soon. Fairly lightweight, and it has 20 speed settings. So here's the back of the box. Like I said, it has a rechargeable battery here. On the back is a little display showing you the frequency of the massage, basically the intensity, and then it has that power button and LCD display to show you how much battery you have left. And it has 4 different kinds of applicators, well, tips, I would say, tips for the end of it. And each one of these are like very hard tips. They're like hard plastic, so it's not like you're getting a soft massage. This is for deep tissue. So this one's called the fork head, and yeah, it's made for getting around the neck and the spine area. The flat head, which is one that I like. Basically, you can use it for any part of the body. The bullet head, for joints and trigger points. I've not used this one, but I don't have a lot of like joint pain or anything. And then the last one is for large muscle groups. So it's like a big ball, big round ball. And so I like that one, and I like the flat head. So let me go ahead and show you. So the massage gun comes in this nice case to keep all your accessories and the gun and the massage gun inside. So opening it up, This is what the inside looks like. You got the massage gun and the different heads and some instructions and the power cable, which should be on the side, but it's plugged into my outlet right now. All right, this is the massage gun itself, and as I said before, it has a little display here. See, oh, the power button's on the bottom, so it has a power button. You plug it in on the bottom, and then you can see the battery indicator is 10, so it's full power, and then that side is to show how much power you have. So you just stick in the head into it and press in. Okay, and it's actually like a jackhammer, so you'll see here. So you just turn it on. So you can see it's like, it may be hard to see on camera, but it's like a jackhammer. This is the lowest setting too. So it actually probably looks funny. It's actually going back and forth really fast. But because of the camera, it may look like it's going in slow motion, which it is. And then it has different settings. That's the maximum. Put it back down. Two, one. All right. So I'm gonna go ahead and massage your shoulders, because you're not supposed to use this on your face, because of the. It's literally like a jackhammer, so you don't want this thing pressing on your bones. So just gonna be on your muscle, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on your shoulder muscle. Okay, we'll get the other shoulder muscle. How's that? Pretty intense, right? Like everything is vibrating. It is pretty intense, I gotta say. But if you just relax and just like let it kind of do its thing on you, like, even on the lowest setting, you can hear my voice kind of vibrating around. It's good for the shoulder area that can get, oh, that's good. That can get definitely overworked during the day. To the side. And great for like the back muscles, leg muscles if you work out, like using the ball head attachment is good for like the large muscles, like in your calves or thighs. So good. Ooh. I could see on some people maybe this could be almost too intense for some people, but I think after using it for a little while, it's kind of like using anything that's different, like say like a Sonicare. When I first used the Sonicare, like my gums were so ticklish, like I couldn't use it. But after a while, you just get used to it, right? And it doesn't tickle anymore. So, same thing with this. Like, just it's gonna feel like everything is like vibrating. So it's just a matter of like getting used to the feeling and then letting it relax you, right? Like yeah, yeah, letting it just get right deep into those muscles and doing its job. So if you want to take a look at this massage gun, I have a link in my description plus a discount code as well. The really great thing about this is that it's portable and it's just so easy to just take out before bed or something and just relax those muscles a little bit more, those problem areas. So it's even more convenient than like I feel like this is actually doing something rather than like a regular relaxing like easy massager. I have like a shoulder massager, I got a lower back massager, I got a foot massager. And the foot massager is unique, right? You can't replace that with this, but like the back massager and the neck massager I have, like I wouldn't generally use those, say like before bed, or even consider those to really do a whole lot, right? Or this, you can like, there's like no mistaking, like this is going to like really affect your muscle, like really work out the kinks. So yeah. And then look, I still have like 10 maximum battery power left, of course, because it's made to like last for like up to 4 to 6 hours, I think it was. Yeah, so great battery life. So anyway, this is the review of the FitIndex massage gun, and I hope you guys enjoyed your little massage as well. So I will see you guys next time. Bye.